Take off my pants real quick. All right. Can you hear it? Yeah. Hear me on the track. Yeah. You know what day it is? Friday. Hey. Buns on buns and curvy thighs, silky thighs, small thighs, big thighs, thick thighs, warm thighs, firm thighs, tone thighs, these thighs, oh my. Let me lay my head on some sexy thighs just one more time. Gotta let me have some fun. One last time, I'm a little troublesome. Trust me, I will run. Let me lay my head on some before I am done. No, you gotta have some fun before you are done. Bonsai, curvy thighs, milky thighs, small thighs, big thighs, thick thighs, warm thighs, firm thighs, tone thighs, these thighs, oh my. Let me lay my head on some sexy thighs just one more time. Yeah. Gotta love me some thighs of all kinds. Let me have a big old squeeze. How about feel? Anytime, any day. Yeah. It's over for you. Let me feel some thighs, baby, gotta go. Putting things aside, gotta let you know, baby, I am cool. Let you know that I'm feeling things for you. Yeah, I'm loving you, and I'm looking at you and your cute eyes too. Buzz like bouncy, curvy thighs, small thighs, big thighs, big thighs, big thighs, warm thighs, firm thighs, tone thighs, these thighs, oh my. Let me lay my head on some sexy thighs just one more time. Gotta let me have some fun. One last time, I'm a little troublesome. Trust me, I will run. Let me lay my head on some before I am done. No, you gotta have some fun before you are done. Sometimes I just think about how my life hasn't gotten significantly better since that video was created, and I feel as though I am a flop in and out, and I feel deep regret for my actions. Sitting here, my pants half off, slapping my thighs like a bongo. Encore? No, thank you.